Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 19 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 696. Count binary substrings. So in this problem you are given a binary string S. We have to return the number of non-empty substrings that have the same number of zeros and ones, and all the zeros and all the ones in these substrings are grouped consecutively. So like this 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 or 1 1 1 0 0 0, or you can say 0 0 0 1 1 1 like this. Substrings that occur multiple times are counted the number of times they occur. So if we have 0 1 like this substring and this substring both are same, so we have to count this and this also. That's the meaning of this. So here if you see this example number 1, so S is like this. So here there are 6 substrings that have equal number of consecutive ones and zeros. So like if you see this one 0 0 1 1, if you see this one, that is 0 1, and here if you see this one 1 1 0 0, if you see this one 1 0, and here same way if you see this, so 0 0 1 1, or if you see this 0 1, so see here these 6, so that's why the output is 6. That's it. And here if you see the constant size, so s dot length is from 1 to 10 power 5. So definitely we can't solve this problem in of n square time complexity, because if we try to do this in this time complexity, we will get the time limit exceed issue. So let's try to solve this problem in of n. And here it is given that s of I value is either 0 or 1. So if you see this example number 2, so in this example number 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Clear? This is not valid. This is not valid because ones and zeros should be grouped together, right? So now let's see few examples. So in this, tell me the how many substrings are good here in this. So we have to return the non-empty substrings that have the same number of zeros and ones, and all the zeros and all the ones in these substrings are grouped consecutively. So here only one. Here in this example, tell me. So in this example, you will say 2. What are those two? You can say this 0 1, or you can give this overall 0 0 1 1. So these two are valid. Clear? Same way in this example, also you have 1. In this example, also you have 2 only. That is nothing but this 1 0 or this complete 1 1 0 0. Clear this part? So in this case, you have 3. What are those 3? So you can say 0 1 0 0 1 1, or you can say 0 0 0 1 1 1. And here same way in this example, you have again 3, and those 3 are nothing but 1 0 1 1 0 0 and 1 1 1 0 0 0. These 3 are valid. So in all these examples, if you see, the output is nothing but like if I split it like this, so output is nothing but the number of minimum number of this minimum. Let's say this is my prev group, and this is, let's say, my current group. Let's name it like this. So prev group is consisting of all zeros, cur group is consisting of, let's say, all ones. So what is the minimum account of zeros or ones? You see 1, so that is my output. Here let's say this is my part of prev group, this is part of my cur group. So in this prev group in which all ones are there, so I see the length 1. Here also the length 1, so minimum is 1. Here see prev group length is 2, cur group length is 2, so minimum is 2. Here also prev group length is 2 and cur group length is 2, minimum is 2. Prev group length is 3, cur group length is 3, so minimum output is 3. Prev group length is 3, cur group length is 3, so minimum we are returning. So why minimum? So you can have something like this now, let's say. So in this case, this is your prev group, let's say, and let's say this is your cur group. So cur group length is 3, priv group length is 4. So you have to return 3 here, na? Minimum, because only 3 are possible here. What are those 3? 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 or 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Only these 3 are possible. These 3 are valid substrings. So from here, one thing that we are clear that we have to return the minimum of this priv group or cur group, whatever the minimum. And my cur group is going to consist of ones or zeros, anything, but they should be grouped together. So here, just grouping, I'm doing the grouping. Like in my substring, we should have 0 and 1. These two things should be there, right? So whatever is in the this side, I will say that as priv group, but all things should be grouped together. Like if I'm taking 0, so 0 should be grouped together. If I'm taking ones, ones should be grouped together. In this side, I will say cur, and whatever I have here should be grouped together. But if I have 0, 0, 0 here we should have 1, 1, 1. If we have 1, 1, 1 here, we should have 0, 0, 0. So I hope that this thing is clear. Now, how we are going to solve this? So let's understand this with this example. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Very good example. So here 0, 0, 1, 1, then again 0, 0, then again 1, 1. So what you need to do here, take a variable, let's say priv group, set it to 0, cur group, set it to 1 initially. Cur group, let's just set it to 1, and your answer value, let's say it is 0. All right. So I have to solve this problem in of n time complexity, and it is given that string is never empty. This string, it's never empty. So at least one value will be there. Okay. So here, if I just give the indexing here, so this is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index, 6 index, 7 index. So now what I will do here, I will start my I from here. I will start my I from here. And here I will check if this character is equal to this character. If this is the case, then I will increment the count of current group. I'm saying it as current group. Right now I am just checking this group, so I will say current group. So now my current group is going to become 2, and that is correct na? Length of this is 2. Done. After that, what will happen? After that, my I is going to move further. My I is going to move here. Now here I will see whether this is equal to this character. No, not right now. I will update my answer as math dot min of priv group comma current group. So priv group value is 0 and current group value is 2. So my answer is 0 as of now, because until here there is nothing, no answer as of now. I'm just moving here as of now. I'm just moving here, but as of now there is no update in the answer yet. Okay, there is no update in the answer yet. All right, now here what I will do, since I am here, and I see a new element, because these two are not matching. So what I will do, I am going to update my priv group as the current group. So now my priv group value is going to become what? 2. I updated my priv group as the current group value, old current group value. So now my priv group is going to become 2, and I am going to set my current group value as 1, because now I have seen this element. Clear this part? Now after that, I am going to move here. My I is going to move here. So both are matching. So if both are matching, so my current group value will be incremented to 2. Done. Now after that, my I is going to move further. Now again I am going to check these two. Both are not matching. So if both are not matching, so first thing in the else statement, what I am going to do, I am going to update my answer. So like until here. So now here, previous case, my priv group was 2, current group was 2 as previous case. So now what I will do, I am going to update my answer as 2. Clear this part? Done. Now after that, once this is done, and when both are not matching, so in the else part we also need to update my prev group as current group, because from here a new group will start now. So the previous current group is going to become my prev group. So prev group is equal to current group, that is nothing but 2. So now this is the previous group. I have to take previous group. Now current group is going to start from 1 because of this element. Then my I is going to move here. So both are matching, so current group is going to become 2. So now when my I is going to reach here, so both are not matching, so first thing I have to do is update the answer. So previous group and current group is 2, so 2 plus 2 is going to become 4, right? So here, because of this we have added 2 in the answer. Now because of this we have added 2 in the answer, right? And now this is going to become my new prev group, and here new current group will start. So current group is equal to 1. Okay, and then after that your I is going to move here, both are matching, so current group is going to become 2. Clear this part? And after that, that's it, your loop ends. But you have to count this as well. So in the end also I will add one more line like this. So I will take this group as well, 0 0 1 1, and for this one also I will add a 2, and in the end I will just return the answer. So that's it. So now let me write the code, then you guys will get better understanding. So very simple problem, nothing complex here. So here int prev group, you have to take it as 0. Int current group, you have to take it as 1 initially, or let me just write cur group. Let's not use so big variable names. And here int answer is equal to 0. Then I told you have to run one loop. So int I is equal to 1, I is less than here s dot length, and here I plus plus. So what is happening? So if the s dot char at index I is matching with the s dot char at index I minus 1. So if this is the case, then I told you just increment the cur group value, cur group plus plus. So initially we are starting from here as cur group only, right? And if this is not the case, so first thing that you need to do is update the answer. So answer is for previous whatever we have seen so far. So I will update it as math dot min of, and in this I will just pass the uh, your prev group, and I will pass your current group. That's it. This is what I'm going to pass here. And then after that I told you have to update your prev group with the count of the cur group, because a new cur group is going to start now, and your cur group is going to start from 1 because of this element. And for the last element, like once this loop ends, so we have to add this last element as well. So in this loop actually we are not taking care, so in the end I will take care of that part. So here I'm going to update the answer, and here you have to just simply return answer. That's it. So now let's run the code and see if there are code issues. So see, all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is empty, right? And what is going to be the time complexity for this problem? So it is going to be O of n. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys next video. Thank you. Bye bye.